Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Done Investments. Welcome to this analysis video for June 29th. First of all, एक previous video का update intraday support mark करवाया था previous video में 15,700. What we have witnessed today 15,710 का लो और वहाँ से निफ्टी ने intraday support लिया और reversal दिखाया of more than you can say 100 points. Tomorrow what we have to see, downside levels remain the same. ये level intact है 15,700 being a support. इसके नीचे निफ्टी जाते ही we would see 15,620, 15,555 intraday itself. उसके नीचे और भी level है, but I am okay to take 15,555 on the downside only if Nifty starts trading below 15,700 and sustains over there for 15 minutes. Unless and until I am avoiding any kind of fresh entry between these two levels. अब long side play करना हो अगर निफ्टी में intraday, then most conviction level is highly conviction वाली level होगी 15,930. Yes, 15,930 के ऊपर 15 मिनट निफ्टी sustain हो जाती है. Then yes, we are in for more 70 points up move and which can be in like a furious manner. जैसे breakout दिया वो वहाँ से quickly it would try and test 16,000, 16,010, 20 odd levels first. Then again we would need a sustain above 16,000 for 15 minutes. If it's sustaining above 16,000, we are in for more 70 points, 16,050, 70 odd levels intraday. And इसके ऊपर we are marking this level of 16,180, 200 के आसपास ही गैप है अपसाइड का, वो कवर हो जाएगा. So this would be a gap cover trade only if Nifty try and sustain above 16,000. अगर closing basis में कल 16,000 के ऊपर क्लोज हो गई then yes, expiry में possible है या Friday तक possible है ये gap cover हो जाए. But intraday में long trade I would only and only take above 15,930 and bearish trade I would take only if Nifty starts trading below 15,700. Moving on, Bank Nifty again same levels. जैसे बताया था पिछले वीडियो में, ये लेवल पिछले वीडियो से ही मार्क करके रखी हुई है 33,500. ये लेवल मार्क करवाया था पिछले वीडियो में. So exactly वहाँ पे बैंक निफ्टी ने दो बारी सपोर्ट लिया है and then we have seen a reversal. Now बैंक निफ्टी का भी एक हाई कन्विक्शन लेवल होगा फॉर द अपसाइड मोमेंटम ओनली इफ बैंक निफ्टी ट्राई एंड ब्रेक दिस लेवल ऑफ 33,880, 33,900. इसके ऊपर अगर बैंक निफ्टी 15 मिनट्स के लिए सस्टेन हो जाती है देन यस वी आर इन फॉर अ बिगर टारगेट्स फॉर 34,140 ऑट लेवल्स. इसके ऊपर 34,300, उसके ऊपर 34,500. बैंक निफ्टी विल ओनली एंटर अ वीक टेरिटरी इफ इट स्टार्ट्स ट्रेडिंग. अगर यहाँ से ब्रेकडाउन आ गया 33,500 का, इसके नीचे ब्रेकडाउन आ जाता है, सस्टेन दे देती है फॉर 15 मिनट्स, देन वी आर इन फॉर 33,200 ऑट लेवल्स. ये कैप कवर हो जाएगा विच इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 300 पॉइंट्स अवे. सो वी हैव टू बी वेरी क्विक. एनी साइड ब्रेक आउट और ब्रेक डाउन विल गिव अ क्विक मोमेंटम, won't even allow traders to enter and take a fresh trade. But इन दो लेवल्स के बीच में 33,880, 900 and 33,500 इन दो लेवल्स के बीच में I would personally and highly recommending all of you to avoid any kind of fresh entry. Overnight positions taken is a different thing. If you're long on a swing basis, that's a different thing. Tomorrow morning after 9:15, in between these two levels, one should avoid and taking any kind of fresh trade. This is only a recommendation to save up your capital. If you're experienced enough, you may go ahead. As it is, this video is not any kind of trading tip or investing advice. It is purely and purely for education purpose. Moving on with stocks, Reliance looking good, but more strong momentum about 2,530 or 35 odd levels. 2,540 क्रॉस करते ही ये गैप कवर हो सकती है and the target could be 2,555, 2,580 and ultimately around 2,600 odd levels. Reliance will gain momentum only if it is sustaining in 15 minutes or maybe you can say if gap up open होता है Reliance में then it has to reclaim that zone of 25 35 25 40 लेवल्स, इसके लेवल्स को सस्टेन देते ही, इसके ऊपर मूव करते ही, देन वी वुड सी फर्दर मोर लेवल्स ऑफ 25 55 25 80 2600 पॉसिबल इंट्राडे इटसेल्फ। जैसे ही ये लेवल से ब्रेकआउट आता है रिलायंस में, इफ आई एम प्लानिंग टू टेक अ ट्रेड, आई विल सी फॉर sustain of this particular range, particular level of 25 35 25 40 odd levels sustain दे देता है, I would like to personally go long and maintain a stop loss of 2500 or 2497 as per my risk appetite. And targets on the upside has been mentioned over here. You can take a screenshot, analyze thing, keep it for your education purpose. Moving on, Mindtree looking strong on a daily chart, एक अच्छी कैंडल दी है। Now tomorrow intraday, if I have to trade Mindtree, I will go long on Mindtree only if it start trading above 3050 odd levels. जैसे ही buy levels trigger होता है, I would maintain a stop loss of 2990, that is 60 points, 2% on a stock of 3050 rupees. So on the higher side, my target is 3130, 3170, ultimately 3240 odd levels. Swing basis के लिए भी Mindtree अच्छा है as per chart on a daily time frame, but intraday, if you are getting first target, should be good enough. If you want to go swing, then it is highly recommend to research on your own, but if I have to go swing, I would only go in cash equity. I would strictly avoid futures and options to take swing. Intraday, I might go for stock option, but it is not a recommendation. It is as per your own capital and risk appetite. So I would maintain a stop loss of 2990. I would go long on Mindtree about 3050. Targets have been mentioned over here. Moving on, UBL looking weak, giving a strong close on the lower side of that day. Now, if UBL starts trading tomorrow 1440 के नीचे जैसे ही ब्रेकडाउन आता है 15 minutes टाइम फ्रेम में, it is indicating a short trade, then I would like to enter UBL below 1440 for a target of 1410 and 1380 intraday itself. अगर मेरा शॉर्ट साइड का लेवल ट्रिगर हो जाता है, I would like to maintain a stop loss of 1475 as per my risk appetite. So UBL weak below 1440, targets have been mentioned over here, and I would maintain a stop loss of 1475. Moving on, Bata India. This pattern is known as evening star. We have seen this candle showing again, same like UBL, closing towards the day end. Now Bata would get weak below 1710, 1700 odd levels. First target छोटा है थोड़ा 1690, but after that it is 1675, 1655 odd levels. If my short side trade has been triggered, I would like to maintain a stop loss of 1730 and would like to go short on Bata India intraday only. Again, this video has only been made for education purpose. This is not any kind of trading tip or investing advice. Please do take recommendation from your own personal financial advisor. Now people, those who are new here, I would request you to subscribe to this channel. Also, you can join our Telegram channel, which is open for all. Link is in the bio. You can also join us on Instagram. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.